Me. Sing. Louder.
And the song goes the mighty long that I have seen tonight. And the song goes the mighty long tonight I feel tonight. Away, my way, away, my way, away, my way, away, my way, away, my way.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Those are all the words that you know?
yeah.
Wow, that's pretty great. Who sings that song?
The hippo,
The hippo and who else?
the duck sings away, my way.
And the hippo and the dog sing a Weemoe? And does the doggy dance?
And the ram.
And the giraffe. Can you sing another song for me? Sing another song for me. Can you sing the bell song? Louder, louder.
Little town, where little people waking up to sail.
What do they wake up to say?
But still,
Louder. Kiki, louder.
little town, little people waking up to sail. But the pussy, here comes the baby with the night way away. And they don't get the Moses
Louder.
another time, I'm on a barbecue.
Keeks, you're funny. Where are we going now? What are we going to do with the Anna's house?
I'm gonna play with the castle.
Oh, you're going to play with the castle? Who bought you the castle? Oh, what color is the castle? And what's your favorite color? That's right. Fiona got you a castle that's your favorite color. That's great. I think that's great. Okay, we're on our way. Kiki, say bye to the camera. See you later.
Bye.